training channel by George Pierce presents Clickbank Riches on a Silver Platter. Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. It's great to have you here. This video is about making money, and I mean a lot of money, on Clickbank. The title of the video is Clickbank Riches, and what I'm going to be sharing with you are Clickbank Riches. These are riches that are there for the taking. Clickbank is what's called an affiliate network. This is a website where you can go and access affiliates of all different niches. Clickbank has thousands of affiliates that you can choose from. Clickbank is free to join. Most Clickbank products are digital products. Clickbank has products in just about every niche that you might be interested in, and the website is clickbank.com. What a lot of new affiliates may not realize or may not understand, maybe even some experienced affiliates, is that a lot of the Clickbank affiliates are doing everything they possibly can to make sure that you're going to make money. They're just about forcing money on you if you will just take it, and that's what this video is all about. You're going to see some of the remarkable things that these Clickbank affiliates are doing in order to make sure that we're going to make money. It's virtually impossible not to make money, and that's not an exaggeration, as you're about to see. If making money from home as an affiliate marketer is of interest to you, I invite you to stay with me. Let's take a look at some of these insanely easy ways to make money in both the make money online niche, in other words the affiliate marketing niche, as well as the weight loss niche. So let's get started. Let's go to Clickbank. And if you haven't joined yet, go ahead and join. Once you join, log in and click on Marketplace. Scroll down the page, and on the left hand side you're going to see e-business and e-marketing. Click on that where it says rank. Click there and then click on gravity. That's essentially how hot this product has been in the last 12 weeks. And now what I'm doing is clicking on the affiliate pages of these top affiliates. I want you to see what's in store for you when you go to these affiliate pages. When I say they're making it virtually impossible for you to not make money, I'm not kidding. It's virtually impossible to not make money with what you're about to see. The first affiliate I want to share with you is Paying Social Media Jobs. And this particular affiliate has a gravity over 285, an average sale of $31.99. $31.99 is your average commission. So let's visit this affiliate and see what they have in store for us. As we scroll down the affiliate page, you can see all the resources that are available, including a sales funnel. You've got your choice of 5 different landing pages that you can use, pixel tracking, 20 killer email swipes. Your email list is pretty much already created for you. Excellent high converting banners. 45 different banners that you can use. 5 compelling Facebook images. These are images that are going to grab attention. They are going to grab attention. They're going to get clicks. They're going to make sales. And it gets even better. Look at this for a lead magnet. This is a 32-page professionally crafted rebrandable report that you can use. Rebrandable means is that all the links in this are going to be your links. They're going to be your affiliate link. So anytime they click on the links in the report, they're going to go to the affiliate, but it's going to be your link. So you're going to get credit for the sales. And what this simply means to you is that this is an irresistible lead magnet that is going to help you to build your list. It's going to help you to build your list faster than ever before. They're going to rebrand it for you for free. Just follow the instructions. You can give it away and you can make money, a lot of money, and you can give this away on TikTok. This is going to go like hotcakes on TikTok. You can do this on YouTube. This is going to be a smash on YouTube. You can also do it on your website, on your blog, and virtually any kind of social media. We also are going to find product images, and then that's going to be followed by the most powerful money-making resource of all, and that is videos. These videos are downloadable videos. and these videos are irresistible. You can post these videos on your YouTube channel as your own. Before you do that, don't forget to spin the video if you've got a video spinner, and if not, add music to the video.
When you think of companies like Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, you probably think of them as ways to stay connected with friends.
So I urge you to check out these videos. They really are irresistible.
Hey there! Did you know that you could get paid?
So these videos are going to be able to help you again on your website, on your YouTube channel, on your blog, in your emails, on social media, and so forth. They are superb. Your viewers are going to watch these videos. They're going to watch them to the end. They're going to click and they're going to buy. When you click on the other affiliates, when you visit the other affiliate pages of these top sellers in the Make Money Online list, you're going to find very similar resources that are going to be available. Each of them have a rebrandable report that is going to put money in your pocket, going to put a lot of money in your pocket, as well as help you to build a list faster and easier than ever. And you're going to find additional videos as well as banners, Facebook ads, and so on. So these are ways that are just about guaranteed to be successful. The next thing I want to do is go back to the marketplace, Clickbank Marketplace, and scroll down a little bit further on the left hand side. This time click on Health and Fitness, and on Health and Fitness click on the drop down and click on Diet and Weight Loss. Again, sort by gravity. And on diet and weight loss, what's going to show up, the top two are going to be smoothie. At the time of this video, the top two are the smoothie diet, which has a gravity of over 200. Anytime you've got a gravity over 30, that's not bad. Anything over 30 is worth looking at. That's worth considering, because that means it's selling. If it's over 100, it's hot, it's red hot, and anything beyond that is just more icing on the cake. So you'll see the smoothie diet is over 200. It's been a hot seller forever. And the custom keto diet is over 100. Is 119, almost 120 at the time of this video. That's also been a hot seller forever. And when you click on the affiliate pages on the smoothie diet, you're going to see what you're going to see pre-sale articles. They're sensational. These articles are sensational. They're so well done. And you're also going to see a couple of videos that are downloadable. These are videos that you want to take advantage of. Put these on your YouTube channel, for example, and they're going to get traffic, they're going to get clicks, and they're going to make you sales. These guys want you to make money, and they're sincerely doing everything they can do to put that money in your pocket. This is a product that sells and sells and sells and sells. It's an excellent product. It just keeps on selling. Next thing I'm going to share with you very briefly is the custom keto diet. And you're going to, when you go to the affiliate page, you're going to find all the resources that you need. You're also going to find a lead magnet. This particular lead magnet is not branded. I will leave a link below to a video about how to rebrand this, how to brand this keto diet so that your link is going to be in there. Of course, there's banners. There's also a ton of email swipes. You can download those. They're going to help you with your email campaign. Below that, you're going to find 93 videos that you can use to promote the keto diet. And keto is hot, has been hot for about 5 or 6 years. This is another one of those diets that doesn't quit. Most diets come and go. Keto just keeps on trucking. Of the 93 videos, 90 of those videos are keto recipes. Keto recipes are magnets for traffic. People want to know about a keto diet recipe. So you have 90 recipes. You can use these to sell keto diet, and you can also use them to send them to your website where you can sell Exapure and the smoothie diet and the keto diet and so forth. The bottom line is that these Clickbank affiliates are just about forcing money in your pocket. All you need to do is let them. Check out these affiliates, check out these resources, and give them a try. And guess what's going to happen? You're going to grow your list, you're going to get more visits, you're going to get more views, you're going to get more sales, you're going to make more money. And when you do, be sure to come back and leave a comment. I'd appreciate that. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate your watching. Thank you again. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, a big old thumbs up, please do that. Hit that like button. Turn that like button black. Thank you. If making money from home is of interest to you, be sure to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way I'll be able to let you know whenever I publish a new video. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you, and I'll see you in the next video.